Welcome to my studio. I'm Wendy O'Brien. Thanks for dropping by. In this speed drawing, I'm completing a Misty Landscape in Graphite. I recently did a live tutorial on this project from start to finish. If you would like to follow along in real time, I'll leave the links in the description below. This project came about when Sergio Mann contacted me and asked if I would do a collaboration. He laid out the guidelines and of course I was in. It's all about using budget-friendly products to make art. We were limited to 5 graphic pencils of our choosing. We both brought 3 references for a total of 6 and 3 papers that both were randomly chosen on a live stream. I will have a link to that video in the description as well. We decided early on that this would be a great project to complete live and get more artists involved. There will be a showcase of everyone's art that completed this project. The deadline for submission is December 20th, 2019. So if you haven't completed it, time is ticking. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you don't miss out on future live streams, tutorials, tips, tricks, and more. Keep on arting and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye!